the next one here, and this is what we're looking at. Seal. Put a seal here. This seal feels pretty good. Replace this seal. You can see kind of where the water's leaking from there. I think more's pouring out of the water heater than into the alley. Okay, new seal goes in the bottom. Get it work here. Lucky on the ducting. Everything's outside anyway. No water. Okay. Oh, can you do me a favor? Go inside like your kitchen and turn your hot water on so we can let the air out of the line. Thank you. There we got spark.
It's got air, huh?
Is it coming out?
Yeah, the air.
Yeah, just leave it open until it stops. Because it drained back out while it was working, so yeah, there's air in there. And then if it clogs up or something, let me know and we can clear it. Sometimes it clogs. But yeah, you might want to. Yeah, some kind of shade, even just a roof is huge because the water will get in and runs down the side and gets into the bottom. And these are good. These don't clog up with water real easily, like probably your old one did. Those are notorious for it because it's like a bowl, like a big bowl, and there's nowhere for the water to go. I'm surprised it was running.
Lasted like one time.
Yeah.
I got it used too.
Yeah, that's good.
That's what
Those 30 gallons are hard to find used. Everybody's looking for them. So, there, it should be, it should start coming out in a minute. Alright, that's it. Thank you for watching. Consider subscribing. It's gonna be like terrible to try and see in there. She's on, she's running. Have a great day.
Yo bailo la cumbia con mucho sabor. Porque soy el mejor. Rumba se mamá y es el reggaetón. Si buscas pareja de la que estoy yo.
one of David's water heaters that we installed a while back. You can see it's leaking. This is like a 2013 Bradford White. Something's going on up here too. Just shut the water off and I'm disconnecting it, so he wants me to help him install it, mostly because I don't think he can lift it. There's no soldering to be done. I remember we had to work with all this plumbing up here last time. He's got something going on over here. Existing leaks, but it's definitely his heater that's leaking. It's pretty much pouring out of the bottom. Real bummer, but oh well. So what's nice about putting in these flexible supply lines is if you do need to come back out and change it again, especially since these water heaters are used, it makes it so much easier than whether it was hard piped or trying to work with the existing ones if they're sweated on. So be working on this for a little bit, and then I've got a water heater installation down in Imperial Beach after this. Hopefully that goes well. I'm kind of blind going into that one, so we'll see. And then that job that I did out on the canyon in La Mesa, the lady wants to replace her water heater, but I don't want to because it's just too difficult to get to that location on that hillside, that cliff, you know. I know that's the house that's on the stilts that's hanging over the cliff. There's just no way for me to get back in there without getting injured. So I think what I'm going to do is bring a compressor out there, and it's just blowing TRDs, the thermal reduction device, the little capsule that pops when the combustion chamber gets too hot. So I think it's starving out, and I just need to blow it out with compressed air, and that should save me from having to do an install there, because I just don't want to do that job. It's just, there's nothing that can go my way there. It's just too much hillside. All right, let's try and get this one taken care of.